All right, so I don't know if this is a do-it-yourself channel. I'm not sure if this is a how-to channel, a vlog, a project channel. I'm not sure. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here we are again. Before we get started with today's video, I want to close out on the last video that we had, which was this project right behind me, the satellite holder up on the ladder. Let me flip this around and show you guys how this came out. So here you go. Here's the finished product. I remember last time I showed it to you guys, the pipe was still galvanized. It's now black. I painted it, and there it is installed. That's exactly, that's the finished product. All we need to do now is go camping. For some of you wondering, if you notice, this got switched. It used to be here. I had a viewer make a comment that said that I should have put it here so that the step actually holds it. I'll be perfectly honest with you, that's a great idea. I took the advice, that's what I did, but this is the finished product. I'm gonna show you how it gets stored, and then that'll be a wrap on this project. All right, so once I remove it from the ladder, I come in here, slide it in these two loops, and there you go. It's transported just like that. So that is a wrap on the satellite project. Now we're going to move inside, and I'm going to share today's project with you guys. This is another, not necessarily how-to, but it's definitely a do-it-yourself project. All right, so now that we're done with the whole satellite project, now I got a new project that I'm going to be working on today. I'm going to flip this around here, and I'm going to show you guys this project. I'm going to try and do it as quick as possible, not too much talking. Matter of fact, I'm going to put it on speed, whatever. And I got to be perfectly honest with you again. I'm not quite sure how this is going to work out. This is either going to come out okay, or it's going to be a total flop. Let me show you what I got going on. All right, so here's my set of recliners, which is in the den, which is in the rear of my unit, the fifth wheel. And right in the middle here, I have this going on. Okay, so technically the stitching on the sofa is this area right here. This is the actual stitching. This is what's holding the sofa or the recliner together. Luckily, that is untouched. However, this decorative stitching out here has unraveled. Okay, it's not broken. You can see it's still attached. You can still it's still attached, which is a good thing. Okay, but I bought this unit, and I'm gonna show you that. Okay, so I said unit. Technically, it's a repair kit. It comes with a set of the needles that you need. It basically has everything. It has an awl. It brings 4 different colors. I'm assuming I'm going to use this really dark one here, or maybe even this one. I'm not sure. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to use yet, but I paid $14 for this set. It even has more needles in here. Brings a cutter. So it's a pretty cool little set. I paid $14 for it, and I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna see how I'm gonna see if I can repair this. I'm gonna give it a shot and see how it goes. All right, so here we go. Let's see how this works out. And I'm going to start off first by cleaning the area a little bit. I couldn't use this even if I wanted to. So I'll clean it up a little bit. There you go. Now I know exactly where I'm going to start, and I'm not sure which thread I'm going to use. This might be too bright. Oh, not exactly what I need, but I think it'll work. Here we go. Just to give you an idea, this is this string that I'm using here, or thread, whatever you want to call it. It's actually wax. It's got wax on it, so I don't know. I don't know how this is going to work, but let's give it a shot. Basically what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to work within the same holes that currently exist. So that's why you see me fiddling around with it. I don't see the justice in creating more holes. So that's what I'm working on. So far so good. All right. What it says in the YouTube videos that I followed was to make a little knot at the end and then push it back into the stitching using the awl that's there. And not sure how that's going to work out, but that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to try, and we'll see how that works out. So there's one, there's the other. I hope this works. All right, so it's not perfect, but at least it's not unraveling anymore. All right, so that's what I got. It's not a perfect job, not some of my better work, but I guess for now it'll do. Remember, like I mentioned, it's decorative stitching. It's not what's actually holding the sofa together. So I did the best I could with the tools that I had. Now, just to give you an idea of why I decided to do this myself, we're just outside of warranty. Like happens to everybody, as soon as you're outside of warranty, things come up. If I wanted to pay somebody to do this, it'd be a couple $100. And my unit, they wouldn't come out here. The company down here in South Florida wouldn't come here. I'd have to take it to them. It'd be a couple of weeks for them to fit us in. So I really wasn't willing to go through all that. So I decided to do it on my own. Did the best I can. I'm happy with it. I mean, unless you come to visit me and you know where to look for it, I don't think you'd be able to find it. And that's it. That's that project. I'm done with it. I did the best I could. Now, like I mentioned earlier today at the beginning of the video, within, I probably think about in another 4 weeks or 5 weeks, we're going to be hitting the road again for season 2. I'm super excited. Myrna's super excited. We can't wait to start. I'm going to be doing a video to bring to you guys exactly our route, where we're going to be going, and what we're going to be doing. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helps anybody that has the same issue. Like I mentioned, the kit cost me $14 on Amazon. It basically has everything you need. It worked out good for me. I'm happy.